Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Trust Wallet QR code. This guide will help you confidently receive cryptocurrency. We will cover opening the app, selecting your desired asset, and locating the receive details. You will also learn crucial security tips to protect your digital assets. Let's get started and make your crypto transactions smooth and secure. First, open the Trust Wallet application on your smartphone. Once inside, you will see a list of your various cryptocurrencies. It is very important to select the exact cryptocurrency you intend to receive. For example, if you are expecting Bitcoin, tap on Bitcoin. Each digital asset has its own unique receiving address and QR code. After selecting your cryptocurrency, look for and tap the Receive button. This action will immediately display your unique QR code. Below the QR code, you will also see the full alphanumeric wallet address. You can either tap the Copy button to get the address string or share the QR code image directly with the sender for easy scanning. Security is paramount when dealing with cryptocurrency. Always double-check that the wallet address you are sharing or scanning is correct for the specific asset. Sending funds to the wrong address is irreversible and can lead to permanent loss. Remember, Trust Wallet will never ask you for your private keys or recovery phrase. Keep these absolutely confidential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.